Welcome to Paybooks. In this video, we will see how to delete employees' increment in bulk. The salary revision or increment can be updated for your employees individually and in bulk. However, there are instances when the salary revision must be deleted in case of wrong entries or any input errors. You can delete the increments in bulk using the bulk revision delete. On the home page, click Transactions. Scroll down to Compensation, click Manage Revision. Click Bulk Revision Delete under Workflow. The current month payroll is displayed automatically. Enter the employee code. To delete multiple employees, enter the employee codes, each separated by a comma. Click Delete. Click OK. And the increment for the selected employees is deleted. Please note you can delete 100 employees at a time. And you can delete employees who have salary increments in the current payroll month only. Thank you for watching this video and have a great day.